24 hours later.
Yeah, it works. Hi guys, my name is Matthew. I'm here from SwitchBot, and a lot of you guys have been asking us online about how to install SwitchBot Lock onto the inside of your door. So there are two ways to actually do this. You can either do it using the 3M adhesive tape that is actually attached to the product that you get inside the packaging, or you can also drill into your door if you want it to be a little bit more sturdier to actually install SwitchBot Lock as well. Now today we've actually started here with using the adhesive to show you guys how it actually is installed, and we're going to show you a little bit about that now. So hopefully you guys will have a better idea of how safe, secure, and long-lasting SwitchBot Lock actually is. So we prepared a little test for you today to show you exactly how safe and secure SwitchBot Lock actually is when you are sticking it or installing it onto the inside of your door. So I've prepared something for you guys today, which I have in this lovely little box just over here, as you can see, which actually measures newtons in force. So we're going to try this out today and see just exactly how sturdy it is. Okay, so I'm going to give this to my assistant first, so take that please, and also take this box for me if you can as well. Thank you, goodbye. And I'm going to use, so we have one of our SwitchBot name tags from the head office here. I'm going to use this now to actually attach this to our SwitchBot Lock, and we're going to see just how much force SwitchBot Lock can actually take without losing any of its, sturdiness, if you will. So I'm going to just put this inside here like so, and pull this around so that it's actually locked on. It should be kind of sturdy like that. So as you can see now, it's actually attached to SwitchBot Lock here, and we're going to grab our little Newton force, whatever you want to call that, calculator or measurer. I'm going to put this on here like this now, and we're just going to basically pull onto SwitchBot Lock to see how much force it can actually take, and it'll be measured just on here for us as well. So please, Mr. Assistant Man, Brian, can you give this a pull, please? So we're all set up. We've obviously attached our device here to our SwitchBot lanyard, and we have our lock here as well. So I'm just going to rest my arms on this makeshift door to make sure that we can, keep it secure. And Brian's going to give it a pull here to see just how much force we can actually, produce. So here we go. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, it's measured up to 13 kilograms worth of weight in force, which is pretty good. SwitchBot Lock obviously supports up to 35 kilograms worth of such weight or force. So it's pretty decent. It's, obviously still secure here on the door, as you can see, and this should hopefully be able to, help anybody out there who's kind of wondering exactly how much force this lock can take. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you have any other questions, then please get in contact with us and let us know below. There it is, so enjoy.